Hey, you. I need you to subscribe right now. I bring good content to the table. I just need you to subscribe. That's all. Or just give me a like. That's all I ask for. Nothing amazing. So make sure y'all like this video. Informational, very inspiring, But yeah, so much for that shit. Bye, bitches. YouTube, welcome back to another video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Don't mind the black circle around my eyes. I ain't been getting no sleep. But I got naturally black circle eyes anyway. But anyways, I'm finna tell y'all how I be mastering my songs on BandLab with just headphones. But I prefer the microphone. You know what I'm saying? I'm tell y'all 4 things that these folks don't be telling y'all in there, bro. They don't give y'all the small details that really help out a lot. You know what I'm saying? So, anyway, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And y'all better subscribe right now too, bro. And I'm looking at you right now. You better subscribe. You better click that subscribe button and stop staring at me. Fuck wrong with you. Fuck this shit. I know. I don't care either. Hit that motherfucker. If I hit you, I know you can't take me serious. I can't take your ass serious either. The fuck can't even get the word serious out. Because I'm always serious. I ain't never got to say I ain't serious. Fuck wrong with you, serious? Number 1, though. If you got a beat and it's small, I got a small intro on that motherfucker, and then when the beat start dropping and that big-ass bass come in, I need y'all to split the beat, tap that bit, turn the gain down on that hole. Balance it out with the rest of the song. You know what I'm saying? And therefore, it won't be a lot of static in your song and stuff like that. But some beats you can't control no matter what. Y'all want proof? Go to my freestyle that I just made. I think it's RedBeenDat flow or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's a good ass preset, but it had a lot of static in the beat. You know what I'm saying? So even though I turned the gain down on it, turned the gain down on the preset, and I ain't touched the plugins, it still sounds the way it do. You know what I'm saying? So number 1, make sure y'all do that in order to have a good sounding song for BandLab. For now, what you can work with for now, make sure you do that for now. But when you go to the studio, make sure it's on point too. But for now, since you got what you got and you working with what you working with on BandLab, do that one thing. 2, bro, this gonna float a lot of people boat. What the fuck? Microphone with a good ass preset will give you a better outcome. You know what I'm saying? But since I've been on my headphones and not the microphone, I'm so used to mastering with headphones and my phone and me, to the point that the microphone don't sound good to me, you know what I'm saying? That's why I ain't been hopping on BandLab live session, none of that, you know what I'm saying? So the best thing for y'all to do is go get a quality microphone, not no $40 microphone, not no $60 microphone. You know what I'm saying? For the people that actually want to buy something, invest in themselves. So get your AT something. I forgot what they call them. I'm not trying to say the wrong thing, but the microphone be good too. Yeah, though, even if your preset decent, bro, you still can get on the microphone and it sound good, somewhere good. I'm just going to keep it real with y'all. But me personally, I like to do it from my headphones. I just master it very well. So the songs that y'all be seeing me drop, all that be from headphones. Number 3, y'all. See, I've been tripping out, bro, because I've been listening to people saying, don't denoise your vocal because it fuck it up. And I was still denoising my vocals. You get what I'm saying? But right now, today, it is true. Don't denoise your vocals. Just fade them. And if your vocals is too up like that, turn the gain down on it, level it out. You get what I'm saying? Level it out with the beat. Your beat is a little powerful. Make sure over it, not under it, but balance out. Number 4, the presets that come naturally high. You don't have to touch none of the plugins. Go straight to the side and turn the gain down, bro. Turn it down. That's all you have to do. If you got that preset with all the squeeze and gain on there, turn that shit down. Facts. Turn it down, bro. You know what I'm saying? On the left side. Don't go to the plug-in and start editing shit and thinking that's the problem. No, the gain is just too high. See, this the thing, though. If a preset sound good, but it's just too high, bro, don't touch the plugins because they're going to fuck everything up. Just go to the gain, turn that down. You know what I'm saying? But if your preset sound trash and needs some editing, go touch the plugins. You know what I'm saying? But that don't mean turn down the gain. Just do that when the preset sound good, but it's too high. You know what I'm saying? But don't touch it. Don't touch the plugins. If y'all get what I'm saying, y'all get what I'm saying. If y'all understand what I'm saying. The preset is too high naturally. If it came like that already, bro, just try the gain first on the side. And if it still don't work, go in that edit, turn some of that shit down. Turn some of the squeeze down, turn the gain down, whatever you got to do. You know what I'm saying? Whatever on your preset over there with the plugins, you go edit it and you go work on it until you get it right. That's the part of BandLab. You have to work until you get it right. You have to work and see what's best for you. Everybody's voice is not the same. Don't expect to sound like me. You know what I'm saying? But I am giving y'all the tools of the little shit that they don't tell y'all about BandLab with this music shit, mastering, all other shit. So basically, them 4 things that I just showed y'all, it's the key to have a good sounding song on BandLab. Off rip. You get what I'm saying? I've been seeing a lot of songs on BandLab and it just sounds like it's either too clear or it's too warm or it just sound buku ass. And I just be like, well, damn. But yeah, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Give me the 6K. And I'm out that thing, y'all. Peace.